When it comes to Chrysler's 3.6-liter Pentastar engine, Jasper provides you and your customer with better machining techniques with many advantages, one of which is the torque plate honing of the engine block. Chrysler Pentastar cylinders are 100% honed with a steel plate torqued with ARP 2000 bolts. They're specially designed not to stretch like a typical torque-to-yield head bolt for a precise clamping load every time. This process provides a cylinder wall geometry that matches the cylinder head as a complete running assembly. It ensures correct bore roundness for improved ring sealing. It also reduces waste in the honing process by tightening the cylinder bore specifications closer to the finish size. This is another process that's benefited from Jasper's commitment to continuous improvement as we strive to provide you and your customer with the perfect product.